Hello everyone. In this video we will solve two questions from number system and one question each was asked in previous two exams consecutively, and you will see that both questions have similar pattern. So let us start with our first question. Consider the equation 146 base b plus 313 base b minus 2 equals to 246 base 8. Which of the following is the value of b? Now in this question we have to determine the value of b, that is base of 146 and 313. Now the easiest and quickest method to solve these type of problems is to put each and every value from our options in the question and check whether we are getting the right hand side or not. So let us start with 8. Here 8 is our first option. Now our equation is 146 base b plus 313 base b minus 2 equals to 246 base 8. So first let us take b equals to 8. So we will put this value of b in the equation. We will get this equation. Now next, to check whether left hand side is equal to right hand side, we will first convert both sides into decimal numbers. If left hand side and right hand sides are equal, then our correct value of b will be 8. If not, then 8 is our not correct answer. Now how to convert a number into decimal? Say we are talking about 146 and let us say its base is b. Then correct way to convert it into decimal will be b raised to the power 0 and unit digit plus b raised to the power 1 into 4 plus b raised to the power 2 into 1. So we all are very familiar how to convert one base into another base. So we will convert both sides into base 10. So here 146 will be converted as 6 into 8 raised to the power 0 plus 4 into 8 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 8 raised to the power 2. Same way for 313 base 6. Here we have base 6. So we will put 6 here. 6 raised to the power 0, 6 raised to the power 1 and 6 raised to the power 2. On right hand side we have base 8. So we will use 8 as our base. So this is the method. You all are very familiar with this method. So let us see what will be our output. Here we have 8 raised to the power 0 into 6. 8 raised to the power 0 will be 1. 1 into 6 will be 6 plus 8 into 4, that is 32, plus 8 square into 1, that is 64. Then we have plus sign. We have 6 square into 3. It will be 108. You can do the calculation by yourself. 6 into 1 will be 6. 3 into 6 raised to the power 0 will be 3. So this is our left hand side. Let us add all these values. It will come as 219. You can do the calculation by yourself. Now on right hand side we have 8 raised to the power 0 into 6, that is 6 into 1, 6 plus 8 into 4, 32 plus 8 square into 2, that will be 128. So its total will be 166. So here you can see 219 is not equals to 166. So B equals to 8 is not our correct answer. So next we will move to our next option, that is 7. Now we will put 7 as B. So our equation is same. On our left hand side we have same constant value. So we do not need to recompute it. We will just put 166 base 10 at this position. So now b equals to 7. We will put it on second term. We will get base equals to 5 because for 313 base is b minus 2. So value of b is 7. So we will get 5. And on right hand side, we will directly convert it into base 10. It will be 166. We have just computed it. So next again we will convert all values into decimal form. This will be our equation. Then we just need to do some multiplies and some additions. When you do this, you will get value 166 on left hand side and same value on right hand side. When these two values are same, then we got our right answer and b is equal to 7. This was the question that was asked in June. Then similar type of question was asked again in December exam. Here you can see our equation is 142 base b plus 112 base b minus 2 equals to 75 base 8. Then which of the following is value of b? Again we will do the same process. If you got the previous question, then just pause your video, solve this question by yourself and you will definitely get the right answer. Now let us start how we will solve this question. Now our first option is 3. This is our equation. Now if we put 3 in this equation, now here you can see 142 base, if you are taking value of b as 3. Now we know that if a base is 3, then its numbers can vary from 0 to 2 only, right? If a base for a number is b, then its numbers can vary from 0 to b minus 1. But here we have 142, here we have a 4. But if we are talking about base as 3, we cannot have 4 in our value. So base equals to 3 is not possible for this question. So this is a method to eliminate some options. So 3 cannot be our answer. We will just skip it. Next option is 6. Now just put the value of 6 in this equation. B equals to 6. Now first term will have base as 6. Second term will have base as 4. Because B minus 6 minus 2 will be 4. Right? Now convert both sides into decimal forms. Same process we are using. When you solve both sides, you will get 61 on right hand side and 84 on left hand side. Now 84 is not equals to 61, so B cannot be 6. Now we will take next option, that is 7. So put value of B as 7. Now first term will have base as 7, second term will have base as 5. Now on right hand side, we have already converted 75 base 8 into decimal form. It will be 61 base 10. Now all we have to do is convert left hand side into decimal form. Use the same process. We will get 111 on left hand side and we already have 61 on our right hand side. Now again both values are not same. So B equals to 7 is also not our correct answer. We are left with only one option, that is 5. So this is our correct answer, but again we will just verify it whether it is our right answer or not. So put B equals to 5 in this equation. B equals to 5. On second term we will have base as 3. Again convert it into decimal form and you will get 61 on your left hand side and same value on your right hand side. So similar type of questions were asked in both exams and we are expecting one more question in the coming exam in 2020. Hope you got the process right. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you all for watching this video.